If you are even considering buying Ghost Pages, you just showed up to the right video, because today I am going to not only tell you about Ghost Pages, which I just purchased, but also show you my bonus library just for you if you decide to purchase through my link down below this video. Now, I'm actually going to show you the bonuses first, and then we're going to come back and talk about Ghost Pages. I am super excited about this. I kind of heard about it from an inside source, and it was aligning with some stuff we were already doing. And this thing is going to, it's easily going to make us 100K over the next year. And that sounds preposterous, but I'm going to walk through some of this in this video. And make sure if you use that link down below and complete the purchase through my link, I'm going to give you a bonus package that's going to be unreal. So we'll come back and talk about the sales page in a minute. I want to lead with the bonuses. And truthfully, I think I built out a bonus package that even if you were not planning on buying Ghost Pages before, you should buy it just for these bonuses, because this is worth as much, if not more, than Ghost Pages itself. I say that Ghost Pages is a key part of how I built this package out. But I think if you have both, it's going to be a crazy strategy. So first things first, I hate how most people make their bonuses look. And I'm in the process of building out something else that's going to be gorgeous to actually, like an actually clean looking bonus page. But unfortunately, Ghost Pages launched in the middle of me building it out. So right now you're just going to see it like this. And maybe in future launches, we'll have a better version built out. But I want to walk you through what you're going to get if you decide to use my link to purchase Ghost Pages using that link down below. The first one, and this alone is going to be worth the cost of purchasing Ghost Pages. So I'm going to make you a Loom video going over my entire strategy to make $100,000 with Ghost Pages over the next year. And when I'm talking about like an entire strategy, I'm not talking about just like high level. I'm talking about in the weeds. I'm talking about the actual offer that I am using to promote it. I'm giving you a link to use the same offer if you want to use the same offer. I've actually handed this entire strategy over to my team, and it's just because I'm working on a different project. We're actually about to launch a coaching program myself, which is going to be crazy. I mean, our goal is to hit the numbers sound outrageous, so I won't even say it, because then it sounds like I'm lying. But some outrageous numbers here with my coaching program. So my team is actually running this themselves, and I think if my team can do it, why can't you? Like, anyone can do this, and you can do it yourself or hand it over to a team, and it doesn't matter. I'm going to walk you through the entire strategy of what I'm doing, how I'm combining Ghost Pages with some other stuff to make this an incredibly powerful strategy that is going to produce a minimum of 100K over the next year. And the best part is, once it's out there, it's just going to continue to produce for years and years to come. So this right here is 100% worth buying Ghost Pages just for this. And even without Ghost Pages, you could use the strategy, but Ghost Pages just amplifies it. Next, I would love to get rid of that on my screen. There it is. Next, I'm going to give you Slide Cash Loophole. Now, I do have an exception. So all of these you get for purchasing just the first page of Ghost Pages, which is the core program, which is all you have to have. I'm going to throw in Slide Cash Loophole. You have to buy at least one upsell. It doesn't matter which one. There's a couple cheap. I actually bought all of them. They're all very, very good. You have to buy at least one upsell to get Slide Cash Loophole. This is an entire course that, again, all of these are built to compound the effects of Ghost Pages. So Slide Cash Loophole is taking slide decks and actually using them to boost your Ghost Pages. So the slide deck, and then you combine it with the Ghost Pages. Both of these get amplified. Both can be ranked inside of Google, and it's just going to give you so much more SEO. Again, this is a massive part of my strategy that I'm using to do 100K. This is a full course on how to do it. I actually went out. Some of these I made myself. Some of them I actually went out and bought for you guys, which is not cheap, by the way. So you can get access to incredibly high quality bonus packages. And this is a full course. I think the course sold for well over $500. This full course you are getting, I bought it for you so you can get it when you buy Ghost Pages. You do have to buy one upsell in order to get this one. The rest of these you get as long as you buy just the core Ghost Pages itself. The next one is 223 viral posts. I have actually used this I'm actually going to show you a couple of these for a second. I have used these as templates for like 2 or 3 years now, and you never run out of things to post. Literally ever run out of things to post. 223 viral post templates. So let me grab one right here. And again, 223 of these. You're going to get all of these PDFs. It's going to talk. Some are brand awareness, some are engagement, some are fan focus, some are humor. I am a massive fan of my meme ones. There it is. Or of my text ones. So here's text suggestions. If you could solve this problem, what or how would you use to do it? And this is an example of what this style looks like. Here's how you're going to build it out. And the best part is now you can just show this to ChatGPT, tell them the offer that you're talking about, and it can create these for you. So it was always been a really good strategy to use these. And now with something like ChatGPT, it's 1,000 times better than it was, and it was already great. So you're going to get all of my viral post templates. I actually need to add the word templates on there, but I'll do that later. Facebook Ads Mastery. Now you don't need to run ads. Drew talked about, I don't know if he did it on the first pages of Ghost Pages, but he talked about it somewhere that he does run ads in his business. Now you don't need to run ads for Ghost Pages, but with anything, it's a way to drive traffic to your Ghost Pages. So you can use free organic methods like Slide Cash Loophole, like YouTube, like blogs, like so many things, right? There's so many ways to drive traffic for free. But if you want to do ads, I want to give you a resource so you're able to do ads as well. YouTube Authority, even videos like these, you can combine with Ghost Pages. I'm not showing my face. I'm just talking to you and providing some extra value. And again, everyone won't want to do YouTube, but if you decide to do YouTube, here's a way to understand it at a much deeper level. And again, I've done a lot. I've done well over 6 figures on YouTube. So that's going to be a really good extra resource for you. You say, Jake, I don't want to create social media content. You don't have to. Again, this is all just options to amplify how powerful Ghost Pages already is. This is a full course on how to use AI influencers in order to drive traffic to your Ghost Pages on autopilot, so you can step away, go eat, go on vacation, who cares, do whatever you want, and your AI influencer is driving traffic on repeat. Literally multiple of these, I paid over $1,000 to acquire the rights to give them to you for free. And that's all if you decide to buy Ghost Pages. So you can go through the link, this whole page yourself. Obviously, I'll leave the link down below. You have to go through that link in order to get all of my bonuses. And the Slide Cash Loophole, you will get if you buy at least one of the upsells. And again, they are really, really good upsells. So use the link down below. Come to this page. Check it out. Love James, really great marketer, creates some great products. So excited to share this one with you guys. And again, I think I put a bonus package together that is going to be such an obvious win. My goal when I make bonus packages is always to make it so good that even if you bought the product before, you're going to buy it through my link, because how could you not get these bonuses? Because they're so awesome. All you need to do, I didn't write this down, I should have previously. All you need to do to get it is email me at info@jakethornhill.com, info@jakethornhill.com. Send me an email, say you purchased through my link. I will verify that you did, and then I will send you a document that will give you access to all of these. We'll clean up some of the process of this later, but for this video, I wanted to make sure I got this out to you guys so you could buy the best possible bonuses when you buy Ghost Pages. So send me an email after you purchase, and I will send you this massive list of bonuses. Y'all have a great rest of your day and enjoy Ghost Pages.